Hi people, welcome to MSK Junction and this is MSK. Hope you all are doing good. Today we're going to see about a financial instrument which was solely prepared and signed by Lord Venkateshwara. The financial instrument is nothing than a promissory note. A promissory note in general sense or financial terms is termed as a person who receives loan is a debtor, a person who grants the loan is a creditor. This debtor is liable to pay some amount that he has taken to his creditor. The documentation of this transaction is called as a promissory note. Like, I promise to pay you this amount. That's it. Lord Venkateshwara, many will be aware of this one. The Lord Venkateshwara took money from Lord Kubera for his wedding. So, having great vision, our God Venkateshwara said to Kubera that let's document the thing that you are granting me so and so amount of loan and everything. The transaction between Kubera and Venkateshwara has been recorded in a document, a promissory note, which we're gonna say. There are even scriptures and physical evidence to prove this. There are even more interesting stories involved in this transaction. So, kindly watch the video till the end without skipping. As I mentioned before, Lord Venkateshwara borrowed money from Kubera for his wedding. The wedding was between Lord Venkateshwara and Padmavati. This Padmavati is an incarnation of Mahalakshmi, who is a consort of Mahavishnu. Why these people should marry? Why should God Venkateshwara should borrow money? There's an interesting backstory supporting this case. Let's listen to this. When Bhrigu Rishi reached Vaikunta, Vishnu was engrossed in sleep on Adishesha. Lakshmi was engaged in his service. In the same situation, Bhrigu stepped forward and struck Vishnu's chest with his feet. Vishnu's sleep was disturbed, but instead of getting angry, he said, "Oh Bhrigu, sorry sage, I could not see you. My chest is very stiff. Is your leg hurt?" Bhrigu sage woke up, he apologized to the three gods and narrated the entire story. Thus it was decided who are the best among the three gods. But Lakshmi could not bear the insult of her husband and cursed the entire Brahmin clan of poverty. So, when Lakshmi went from Vaikunta, Lord Venkateshwara came to Kali Yuga, that Vishnu took a form of Venkateshwara and came to Kali Yuga as a normal being. When Lakshmi left, he felt empty and had nothing. By then, she was born to Akasha Raja and his wife as Padmavati. Because Akasha Raja prayed to Goddess Lakshmi that he need to get her as a child, that he can grow her up and give her everything. The time of their marriage, as Lord Venkateshwara was not having wealth to conduct his own marriage, so he borrowed money from Kubera for his wedding. See, this is the promissory note he issued to Kubera. This promissory note had a process whereby finally the interesting which you people were waiting for and I was waiting to exhibit to you. Observe this promissory note. I'll just go on with it. The promissory note was dictated by Brahma and Lord Venkateshwara himself wrote it. The text is as follows. This 7th day of bright fortnight of the month of Vaishakha in Kali Yuga, the debtor is Srinivasa. The creditor is Dhaneshwara, that is Kubera. Purpose, marriage of the loanee. Amount of the loan, 14 lakhs in Ramamudra coins. The loanee should pay it with interest in 1000 years after the loanee's marriage. You will be shocked who signed as a witness. See, the loan given to Sri Venkateshwara by Kuberan was 1.4 million in Ramamudra coins, as I said before. Sri Brahma and Bhagwan Shiv attested as witness. This is the beautiful point, where for Vishnu's marriage, Brahma and Maheshwara were the witness for the loan taken, and they even conducted the marriage as a member, as family. By the end of the story, we can learn that God had a very good vision that in the present world, people will believe only the documents more than the people's conversation. The two in financial, of course it should be documented. So, we have learned this from this video. So kindly like, share and subscribe MSK Junction. Love you all. See you soon.